Hey, what is up everybody and welcome back to Electio RD Gaming. So, you might remember my last video was about how you can download GTA San Andreas for free with some basic Clio mods for Android 7, 8, 9 and 10. I gave you the GTA San Andreas with the basic Clio mods from the Clio SA APK. And now I will give you 11 Clio mods which you will like to use and some of which are quite important for you in the game. So let's get on. First of all, you just have to download the file which I have given you in the description down below. This Mediafire file. You're just gonna download it right now. Here you will see 10 plus 1 Clio mods by ERDG. You just have to download this file. There we go. Yes. Now the download's done. Now you have to go to ZRKey. Now we are in ZRKey. This is the file that I have given you, 10 plus 1 Clio mods by ERDG. Here inside you will see there are 11 Clio mods which I have given you for the game. You just have to extract it. We'll go to device memory, Android, data, locate your com.rockstar.gta sa file, just locate it. There we go, com.rockstargames.gta sa. Open it and extract it here. Now it will ask you for a password. Now friends, remember the password is an important part right here. You turn caps lock on and write B Y E R D G by ERDG, caps lock on, no space. Click on done. Okay. Replace. There we go. Our files are in the game. Now I will show you the game. I'll show you the mods one by one. It's gonna load the game right now. There are 11 Clio mods, my friend, some of which are quite useful and others are for fun purposes. The last Clio mod is something you would love. I am telling you, something you would love. It has dual features. It is for one thing and it is giving you two other things too. There are some pros and cons, you'll just know as I play the game. Now we are in the game. So our first Clio mod will be apparel. We all like to change dresses in the game. In the beginning we are like, I don't like this tank top and the jeans. I just like to look a little bit fashionable. So this apparel mod will help us. We have all types of apparel here: Binker, Prodap, Suburban, Zip, Victim, the idea Sax or something, Special, Barber, all the three barbers, and then you can also remove items. So I'll just show you a change of dresses right now. Alright, we will take this for legs. Okay, we have chains. We can take any silver chain. Any shades, you have hats. We have a red cap. We can red cap back. I'll just keep it, and he already has a shade. So this, we have got new clothes for our CJ. That gives a more of a gangster feeling. I'll just change that time right now. 1 minute. Yes. There we go. A CJ is looking beautiful, huh? So this was our first Clio mod, the apparel mod. The next Clio mod is a very required mod, especially when you are in Whetstone. After the mission where CJ gets to know about Smoke turning on his friends. After that, Tenpenny brings him to somewhere called Whetstone, where he has no guns. So this is gonna help you a lot. The menu weapons mod. The menu weapons mod, you have all types of weapon. You can choose any weapon you want. Like here we have the brass knuckle, the golf club, nightstick, knife, the bat. I'll take the katana here. The katana. Then we have don't take note what these are. So we have flower. We don't need the flower. We have grenade, tear gas, molotovs. There we have the pistols. We have three types of pistols in GTA SA. The Quad 45, which he holds in two hands. The 9mm, the silenced pistol, and the Desert Eagle. I'll keep the Desert Eagle right now. We have three types of shotgun: the normal shotgun, the sawn-off shotgun, the combat shotgun. The combat shotgun is very good, so I'll keep the combat shotgun right now. Then we have micro Uzi or MP5. The Tech 9 is below. Here you can see the Tech 9. I'll keep the MP5 for now. And then we have AK-47 and M4. I'll take the M4. Here we have the rifle and the sniper rifle. Let's keep the rifle. I have never used it. Let's see what it's like. Then we have RPG, missile. The RPG and missile are two same thing. Just the missile is that it has the lock on thing. And then we have the flamethrower, the minigun, and the most strongest weapons in the game. And then we have satchel charges, the sticky bombs of GTA San Andreas. Then these are of your fun. The spray paint, Fire X, camera, goggles B, and there we have the parachute. So these are all, and with this mod you will also get unlimited bullets. We all know that the bullets will be unlimited. Boom, 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 boom. I'll just take down the wanted level right now. Wanted level down. So we have all the guns, unlimited ammo. Okay, so the rifle is just like a shotgun. So yes, we have all the weapons we need. It's enough to take down anyone. Nobody would even stand a chance right here. We'll just again take down wanted level. We are not here to fight right now. So okay, this was our second mod. Now our third mod will be never fall off a bike. That mod is one which everyone needs. We'll just have to take a bike. I'll just take this cop bike. It's a little busted up. So we know what this never fall off a bike does. With this you drive at an exorbitant speed. You ram it right here, and there we go. Nope. CJ's like, nah, I ain't gonna fall. No, not at all. Not today at least. There we go. Oh. Okay. You drive at any speed. You drive way fast and you ram anyone. You will not. It will be helpful in many games, in many missions. Like the missions in which you have to use a bike to follow someone, or a race with bikes. I don't know if they have a race with bikes. Maybe they have a race with bikes. So this mods will help you a lot. You go and ram yourself down, and you are not gonna fall. I repeat, not at all. Even if you like just rotate. So this was our never fall off a bike mod. I'll just take down wanted level again. This was our never fall off a bike mod. Now our fourth mod is the save anywhere mod. Yes, this mod is very important. For example, you are like miles and miles away from your place, from your safe house. For example, if we are here or we are somewhere else, we do not have the time to save. I mean, go to your safe house and save the game. The save anywhere mod is gonna help us a lot. It's easy to use. You just swipe down, you locate your save anywhere. You see this cross sign right here, this cross sign, you click on it, then you have to all the save options right here. I'm just gonna save it again. There we go, saved it. Now I'll load the game again just to show you. There we go, we'll load the game right now, and CJ will be the exact same position that we saved the game. Here we go, we saved the game here. CJ was here. So the save anywhere mod is gonna help you a lot while you are playing the game. So this was our fourth mod. Now the fifth mod is the skin selector mod. Yes, This mod is for fun. This is not useful. For example, if you like playing role plays like we do in the directory mode of GTA 5, so this is gonna be a very helpful for you. With this you can select any skill you want, like that you have the truth, Macker, Andre, Beer Big Slim, Beer Big Fat. For example, if we want to choose our brothers, we have the brothers. For example, where they are, there we go, the Grove Street family members. We can choose the Grove Street family members. We can spawn some of the Gold Street family members. We can use them to make a team. There we go. We can take them in our team. Even I am a Grove Street family member right now. So with this mod you can take on any pet you want. You can even choose any normal pet, a pet that roams. Like here you can see a normal pet. There we go, businesswoman, beach visitor, Mad Dog's manager, normal pet again, all types of. I'll just change back to Carl Johnson right now. There we go. You can even spawn Carl Johnson. There you go. You can spawn clones of Carl Johnson. With this